Sanitizing and disinfecting are not the same thing. Then what's the difference? I'm going to show you right now so you can make informed purchasing decisions and use these products with confidence. I have two products here, a hand sanitizer and disinfecting wipes. The hand sanitizer says it kills 99.9% of germs. The disinfecting wipes says it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Those are three words that you just now got introduced to: germs, viruses, and bacteria. Now let's clear this up because this is where people get confused. The word germs is nothing more than an umbrella term. Check out the whiteboard. Germs is the umbrella term. It really doesn't tell us anything. Under the term germs, here's what you have: bacteria, fungi, mold, viruses. Basically, any microbial life that can make you sick falls under the category of germs. So when a product says it kills 99.9% of germs, what does that mean? Well, it doesn't tell us anything. We need more information. What kind of germs are we talking about? What kind of germs is it killing? I'm going to make this super simple for you because both kill germs. Here's the difference. You ready? Sanitizing kills bacteria and disinfecting kills bacteria and viruses. Sanitizing means you're reducing the bacteria on the surface by killing it, but it's completely ineffective at killing viruses. Disinfecting is stronger. Disinfecting products are designed to kill far more germs, not just bacteria, but bacteria and viruses. When you think of viruses, think of things like the flu and all the different strands of the flu. Think of COVID. And when you think of bacteria, think of things like E. coli, salmonella, things like that. So now let's take this knowledge and apply it to products. What is this? It says it kills 99.99% of germs. So is this hand sanitizer or is it a disinfectant? Well, we don't know. We need more information. Now check it out. Hand sanitizer. So that tells you right there that this kills 99.9% of germs, but specifically bacteria. This is a sanitizer. It's completely ineffective against viruses. Now what is this? We're going to pretend you don't know what this is, but check it out. It kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So is it a sanitizer or is it a disinfectant? Disinfecting wipes. It's a disinfectant. I've debated on adding this next part to the video, but I think I need to because it's really important you understand this. It is against the law for a product, a disinfectant product, to make virus-killing claims. And the reason why is because these products are regulated by the EPA in America. And that's why any product that has virus-killing claims as a disinfectant, it's marketed as a disinfectant. If you look on the back, we'll have an EPA reg number because it's regulated and tested by the EPA, and that's what allows them to make those kill claims. That being said, it's very important for you to understand that a disinfectant kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria that is listed on the bottle. So it may be effective at killing the flu virus, but it might not have COVID listed, okay, or vice versa. So if you're wanting a disinfectant that's going to kill a specific type of virus, when you get your disinfectant product, make sure you read the bottle and it lists that specific virus, because it only kills the viruses that are listed on the bottle. So what I'm trying to say is you might have a disinfectant product and it is effective at killing viruses A and B, but completely ineffective at killing viruses C and D. So always read the bottle to know which viruses it kills. So I hope this helps. I hope this really clears up the confusion between the difference between sanitizing and disinfecting. If you like the video, give it a big claim of confidence thumbs up. Really helps me out. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.